So how do you add or merge two photos in the iPhone? Let me explain it. And if you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe below and we can get started. So I believe that the best way to do it would be through an app which is called iPic. Right, so it is an app which I don't have downloaded yet on my phone. So we need to go to the App Store and look up iPic in there. And as you can see, it is a free photo editor. So it is actually made by the developers of CapCut, if you're familiar with that app by any chance. But yes, of course, there are more apps which can get the job done, but this is the one which I would recommend you to do. It is actually free apart from some distinct features, but you can get inside of the app like this, and it's gonna ask you to set the app up, like the notifications. Don't need those, right? But the point is that we can start editing. It will at first ask you to access your photos. I think we needed that. So either limited access or full access. And then now we need to pick the photos which we want to combine or merge together. So right now you can see that we can choose a collage at the top, which means that we can select multiple pictures at once, right? So you can see this one has been added, also this one, and you can choose 2 to 9 photos. So let's say that I'm gonna click this one as well. Now I'm happy with these 3 and click on a done. And if you wanted to use the collage, these are the options. You can see this is how it kind of works, right? And you can put the photos together, right? I'm now editing the text, but you can see that in the layout section, you can adjust it however you like it. And there are ways to put and like stitch the photos, merge them together in this sense. So if you're happy, you can hit a done or a download and you will be able to get the photo. So that's one option. But if you don't go to the collage, but instead in the edit mode, you can also just choose one image, and then you'll be able to paste one on the top of the other, right? So as you can see, this time we're not creating a collage, but instead what we are trying to do is that we are trying to add the picture on the top of it. So at the bottom, we are going to click on import the image, and let's say I'm going to choose this one from my gallery, right? You can also choose specific areas of that image, right? So if you want to, you can select only the part that you want, or I'm going to click on auto select, right? And now it's selected the image perfectly, but I'm going to hit it done. And now I have the cutout image on top of the other one. So as you can see, you can edit your images and merge the two photos together very nicely, whether you want to create a collage or just put one on the top of the other, right? You can see that we can even duplicate it, and yeah, it's just nice. So yeah, if you're happy, click on export and the photo is going to be downloaded into your gallery. So I hope it helps. That's what I wanted to quickly explain, and let me know your thoughts and opinions below, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.